everybody. So we're back again for another work session. Last time we finished laying the floor and got that all sealed and looking great. But we've had a lot of rain, and since we still technically had the two tarps, one for the awning and one for the window I'm restoring, a little bit of water got in, not anything to like ruin anything, but it just brings the attention that waterproofing is still a problem. So before we do any more work on the interior, we really need to go along the exterior and caulk all around the roof and the doors, and of course get this window back in this weekend. So that is the goal for this session. We're also going to remove the weather strips that are on both sides because there's so much rust underneath them, and that is another step to prepare for getting the trailer painted. It's going to be just a lot of waterproof, and getting the inside safe before we do more like good stuff. We don't want it to get ruined. Thank you for following, and I can't wait to show you how everything turns out at the end. Thanks. Hi everybody, so I just did a thing that I wanted to share. So as you know, I've been working on restoring this window back here. It's been epic disaster after disaster. I'm doing a whole different post on it. But anyway, so the goal was to get this back in before I did anything else. But now I've taken out this window. So let me just turn it around and show you how we are completely wide open. So of course we have the opening that still needs the awning. We have the front window, and now we have this window that is going back in and staying as just like the front, but it's out, needing to be cleaned. Just wanted to share in the madness that we have two windows out before we got one back in. Hopefully it does not rain tomorrow. Yeah, it's getting a little crazy.